Ready for school song?
Kristina Mandari, Sriya Kumar. Pujan Thapa.
Wait.
Isprosarai.
Sarai.
Shivi Shrestha. Lista, your certificate you have already gained. Please come here. You have gained the trophy too yesterday. Okay, call Rachel Kumar. Third position. Next, Nishal Ramsal, third.
Let's create a world where people are not afraid. So let's care for our minds as much as
Second, Srishti Gurun from 7. Pratishtha Thapa. Pratishtha Thapa. First. Okay. Congratulations to them all. And that was the organized, art competition organized by school in Lanka Resort many days ago. And then we want to inspire you.
And family, it's me Prinsika Ditali standing in front of you all to conduct this morning assembly with some news headlines. निर्वाचनको वातावरणमा सहयोग गर्न मुख्यमन्त्रीलाई प्रधानमन्त्रीको आग्रह नर्सको पीडा तलब थोरै तलब धेरै उखु किसानले अझै पाएनन् अनुमोदन रकम धन्यवाद अब म यो माइक सुजितालाई हस्तान्तरण गर्न चाहन्छु धन्यवाद
Thank you, Prinsika, for handing this mic to me. Now I would like to deliver a short poem on the topic fear. It is said that before entering the sea, a river trembles with fear. She looks back at the path she has traveled, from the peaks of the mountains, the long winding road, crossing forests and villages. And in front of her, she sees an ocean so vast that to enter, there seems nothing more than to disappear forever. But there is no other way back. The river cannot go back. Nobody can go back. To go back is impossible in existence. The river needs to take the risk of entering the ocean, because only then will the fear disappear. Because that's where the river will know it's not about disappearing into the ocean, but of becoming the ocean. Thank you. Now I would like to hand this mic.
Thank you, Sujita, for handovering this mic to me. Today, me, Sneha, in front of you all is here to deliver a short speech on the topic, the importance of mental health in today's world. We often talk about physical health, eating well, exercising, and staying fit. But how often do we talk about our mental health, our thoughts, emotions, and inner peace? In today's busy world, people are surrounded by stress, pressure, and competition. Many smile outside but struggle silently inside. Mental health is not a luxury, it is a necessity. Just as our body needs care, our mind also needs rest, kind, and understanding. Ignoring mental health can lead to anxiety, depression, or even hopelessness. But when we take care of it, we become stronger and more focused. Talking about Talking about our feelings is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of courage.